Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's question comes from one of our viewers, and it's a pretty common one. Can I deposit a money order with Ally Bank? Now, if you're new to Ally, you might be wondering what kind of deposits they accept. And honestly, it's a great question. Ally is known for its digital-first approach, so things might work a little differently than your traditional brick-and-mortar bank. So, let's dive in and find out if you can indeed deposit a money order with Ally Bank. Before we get into Ally specifics, let's quickly recap what a money order actually is. A money order is essentially a certified check. You purchase it from a financial institution like a post office, a retail store, or even some banks. It's a guaranteed payment method, meaning the recipient is assured that the funds are legitimate. Now, let's talk about how Ally handles deposits. They are primarily an online bank, so they emphasize convenient digital options. Mobile check deposit. This is probably the most common and convenient way to deposit checks with Ally. You simply use your smartphone to take a picture of the front and back of the check. Ally's mobile app guides you through the process step by step. ATM deposits. While Ally doesn't have a vast physical branch network, they do have a network of ATMs where you can deposit checks. Direct deposit. This is the most seamless way to get your paycheck or other recurring income directly into your Ally account. Can you deposit a money order with Ally? Unfortunately, depositing a money order directly with Ally is typically not a straightforward option. Here's why. Security concerns. Money orders, while generally secure, can sometimes be forged or fraudulently obtained. Processing challenges. Automating the processing of money orders can be more complex than with traditional checks. While direct deposit might not be available, there are a few workarounds you can consider. Cash the money order. You can cash the money order at a location like the post office or a participating retail store. Once you have the cash, you can then deposit it into your Ally account using one of their accepted methods. Mobile check deposit. With a workaround, some people have reported success with a creative workaround for mobile check deposit. They endorse the money order as if it were a regular check and then use the mobile app to deposit it. However, this is not officially supported by Ally, and your success may vary. Important notes. Always check Ally's official website and app for the most up-to-date information on their deposit policies. These policies can change, so it's crucial to have the latest information. Contact Ally customer service. If you have any doubts or encounter any issues, reach out to Ally's customer service directly. They can provide the most accurate and up-to-date guidance on your specific situation. If you're looking for alternatives to money orders for sending payments, consider these options. Online payment services. Services like PayPal, Venmo, and Zelle offer convenient and secure ways to send and receive money electronically. Bank transfers. You can initiate a bank transfer directly from your existing bank account to the recipient's account. Peer-to-peer, P2P, apps. Apps like Cash App and Venmo allow you to send and receive money quickly and easily using your phone. While directly depositing a money order with Ally might have some limitations, there are usually workarounds to get your funds into your account. Remember to always prioritize security and check Ally's official channels for the most accurate information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.